Way they go, Prezos, Lovable Princess, Dancing Flower, Max Danori inside, Doomstead, Supercharged, Lovable Princess from the outside by the Relis Prezos, joining them is Dancing Flower, Euromax, racing forward by about 2 lines alongside fifth is Doomstead, Supercharged, entering the last 700. Two runners fighting it out for the left. Preziosa Danori inside. Lovable Princess Dancing Flower. And joining them now is Euromax. Rounding the far turn. Lovable Princess Preziosa. Euromax Dancing Flower. As they raise the last 450. Lovable Princess by Alenkana Preziosa. Euromax Dancing Flower. As they raise the last 200, Lovable Princess, followed now by Euromax, Dancing Flower in between runners, Preziosa. It's the Lovable Princess, followed now by Dancing Flower on the outside. Lovable Princess, Dancing Flower on the outside. And finally, Dancing Flower, Lovable Princess, and Preziosa.
Okay, 6-3-1 ang ating unofficial order.